time, we went cocoa crazy. Now, after making the cobblers, we fell in love with the cake that went along with the cobblers. So we thought, will it work for making chocolate cake? Butter, batter, filling, it should work. So we put the butter in the pan, let it melt, then sifted 2 cups of flour. That was kind of ambitious. Should have did a cup at a time. After that, we added in a cup and a half of sugar, and then came the chocolate. 3/4 cup of cocoa went in. Of course, then our favorite, 2 cups of buttermilk. And then we began to try and figure out, okay, how do we blend this all together? Yeah, chocolate everywhere. But really interesting. It was just so rich and it smells so good. All right, so took the pan out of the oven with the melted butter. And we also let our batter rest. Now came time to pour it into the pan. And again, now we thought, oh, that's going to work. Now what for the filling? So we grabbed about a half a stick of cream cheese. To that, again, about a half cup of sugar and some vanilla. You always know to use a dollop or a little touch of vanilla. We also added in some cocoa powder to make it chocolate cream cheese. And just like we did with the cobbler and dropping in the fruit, we just dropped that cream cheese in there, let it find its own place. You know, a real baker probably would have piped it in, brought it straight down the center. No, we just dropped a dollop here and dollop there, and it still came out perfect. Look at the chocolate. Oh, my God. It was so good and so delicious. Might have cut it a little too soon, tried to let it rest, but it came out. We couldn't decide if it was more cake, more brownie. All we know, it was insatiably chocolatey, cocoa crazy. Hey, listen, I just showed you how we went cocoa crazy in 2 minutes.